Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use the Runkeeper app. First, open it on your mobile device. Tap on sign up to create an account. If you prefer, you can sign up using your email by tapping on sign up with email, or you can continue with your Google account by selecting it and choosing your account. Now enter your date of birth and select your gender. After providing all the required details, tap on create account. Once your account is created, tap on continue. You'll then see options to check boxes regarding your preferences. After selecting your options, tap on save preferences. Next, you'll need to indicate what you'll be using Runkeeper for. Select your answer and tap on continue. When prompted, choose whether you currently have a running routine by selecting yes or no. Answer any additional questions about your motivation and current goals as per your preferences. After completing these steps, you'll be taken to a map interface where you can check various options, including activity workouts, music, and audio stats. When you're ready, tap on start to begin your workout. You can also explore additional features like training plans and community challenges to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.